Alright, welcome back to another Right at the Light unboxing with our niece.
Hi.
Today we are doing Fast Food Besties from Tokidoki. We're not sponsored by anybody, I bought these on my own. Alright, you want to open your first
Yes.
Fast Food Bestie? And it looks like there are 10 to collect.
I want the popcorn.
You want the popcorn?
Yeah.
PG, popcorn guy.
Yeah.
Alright, well let's see if he's in there.
I want popcorn. How do you open this?
Right here at the front.
Please subscribe. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It would make us happy.
There we go. There's the first one.
I can't open it.
There you can.
Okay, the baggie.
Oh, looks like
Oh, what's this?
stickers
Oh my gosh, I love it.
and the checklist.
Stickers! I love stickers. What do you think we got?
I don't know.
I hope that we get these two
No, you want popcorn guy,
and the
And-
winner top on
roller shakes.
Yeah. That is like the best one. That would be the best day ever if I got to. That would be the best day ever. If I got one of those, I'm gonna go crazy. How do you open it? Okay, I feel like it's small. Yeah, it's one of those two. It's one of those two. But I hope it's that one. It feels a little small. We meet the head. Please, please. Aww.
Looks like you got Pigo noodles.
I thought it was for a second.
The first one is Pigo noodles.
Look at the noodles. Look how good they are. Yummy. They're just like ramen. That's what I like about them. Oh no.
Sorry.
Stay up. Okay.
And your next one.
Same stickers. Let me guess. Same stickers.
Yep, stickers and checklist. Looks like-
Checklist.
Yep.
This feels really big. It feels round. It must be that one. It must be the burger. It's round and it
Nope,
feels
here's
round,
the-
right? It feels so round.
It's just
Oh right, I forgot. Am I right? Oh! Are they
soy
different?
cool. The sushi.
I think these are the best together.
So you got sushi.
It's a piggy. Why is it
Yep.
a pig? Why is it a pig?
Because
Why
it's called
is-
Pigo noodles.
Oh,
And this is sushi.
I
Soy.
call him Rami. I call him Rami.
You calling him Rami? Okay.
Like ramen, but Rami like running a lot. Okay.
Checklist.
Checklist.
Stickers.
And stickers.
Ooh, these a big one.
It has to be that one. Burger. It has to be the burger. It has to be. Please
think?
subscribe and like. Please.
There you go.
That would be awesome. If I'm right, you all have to subscribe. If it's the burger, you have to subscribe. It is the burger!
It's a little gorilla. It's Burgerilla.
Burgerilla!
Okay, one last one.
It has, if it's not the popcorn or the kitty one, I'm going crazy.
Okay, here's
And
your.
I will be really angry and sad.
Oh, you don't need to be angry. You have different ones.
Yeah, my favorite ramen one Little piggy. It's funny. Why is this not an animal? Why is it not animal? Those are animals. Why is this not animal? Oh, it's a fish. I forgot. Please, please, please. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
I hope it's one of those. Please.
Hopefully it's not a duplicate.
No, I duplicate. We got besties.
Nope, no duplicate. You got another burger.
No, it's not a duplicate.
No, you got, this one's Little Burger.
Yeah,
Little Burger,
Big burger.
Gorilla Burger.
Oh.
That's all right.
I want those two.
Well, maybe
They
not.
match. I'm gonna get a sticker and put it on me. Let me get this.
But you didn't get any duplicates, so that's a good thing.
My favorite is this one. I love the horns.
Little Burger
And this one.
and Piggo Noodles.
That one would be third. I don't really.
Oh, he's still cute.
Yeah.
All right, we got Burgerilla,
I can't get off.
Soy Cool, Little Burger,
Ow.
and Piggo Noodles.
Yay!
And these are Tokidoki fast food besties.
It's drinking it.
All right, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
And we'll see you next time on another Right at the Light unboxing.
Yay!
Check out our next video.